Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video today, I'm going to quickly show you how to use Afterpay on Temu. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Afterpay. So open up Afterpay and then log into your Afterpay account if you have an account. So once you've opened up your Afterpay here, so what you're going to do, if you want to use Temu, so you can simply on your search bar here in your Afterpay app, search for Temu. So when you search for Temu, since Temu is supported by Afterpay, you should see Temu in your search results. So just simply click on the Temu here. So when you click on the Temu on the search results, so this will redirect you to the Temu websites through Afterpay. So you go to access the Temu website through the Afterpay. So make sure you are using this app so that you will be able to access Temu through Afterpay app. All right. So now I'm on my Temu here. So what I have to do now is simply add any item to my cart and then proceed with my checkout. So just choose any item here and then just add it, whatever you wish to purchase, and then just go to your cart here. So when you get to your cart here, so what you're going to do, if you see, scroll down, and if you go under payment methods, you will see that these are the available payment methods, and you will see Afterpay as one of these payment methods, as I said earlier, because Afterpay supports Temu. So you will see Afterpay as one of the payment methods. So all you have to do is hit on checkout, and then under the payment method, just select Afterpay and complete your transaction. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.